the Kia K5. Welcome to this video, y'all, where I introduce my car, my 2022 Kia K5. In this video, and the rest of along on the journey, I will be turning my Kia K5 from the weakest car to the best Kia K5 on this planet. I said it, but before we even say that or do that or start that, the first thing we gotta do is get a car wash. But that being said, let's head straight to the car wash. And I'm gonna show you how this car. It is loud. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. It's loud, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me out there, but the car is clean. I just got a vacuum. But I'm gonna show y'all the car. It's in about 2 days. It'll be dirty. I'm not gonna lie, she's looking clean now. I don't got a name for her yet. I still don't. It's been months. I still don't got a name. Yeah, it didn't do too good with the cleaning, but no, look at this. It didn't do too good with the cleaning, but it's better than what I had it. It's better than what I had it. I ain't really showed y'all the car, but I need to show y'all the car though. But I know who I'm going for my next car wash. I know who I'm going to. One of my homeboys. He just started a car detailing business. So save me time on washing the car. Cause shoot, I don't know. When I wash my car, it's like I don't get into details. But I need to go put some gas in this car. So let's put some gas in this car, and hopefully I get to show y'all a better view of the car. Like, we literally at 80. Focus. We at 80. I only have 80 miles left until I'm out of gas. Amazing, huh? All right, y'all. I found the spot. I could come. This right here is a famous spot where I'm not gonna say that. That's kind of stupid. But it's an interstate right next to me. But I found a spot, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the car. I sound kind of sick because I kind of am. Got a little cold. But this is the car. 2022 Kia K5 EX. We gonna change this car from the most stock looking car to the best looking K5 in this world. I don't care what nobody got to say. I ain't said the fastest, I said the best look, bro. We got improvements coming. We definitely taking these off. I mess with them because they're the only things I got right now. But I got some rims that I'm looking at. We changing these to the RGB ones so I can change the colors. We blacking out that. We gonna black out the whole car. We taking this off. If I keep this on, I'm going carbon all around on the not accessories, but all the god dang, all the extra parts I put on, all the cosmetic parts I put on, like the front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser. We come with different builds, and like I said, I got stuff in store for y'all to do with my car and different like car things, as far as car events around the city, even around the world. We doing different things, but this is the car. I bought this car like in April, I believe, and it is February of 2026. That's how long I had the car. Showing y'all, had to get right, but we here. I'm thinking about y'all. Let me know if I should tint my windshield, maybe like 35, just to get that dark look. I'm gonna show y'all under the hood though. I do gotta get a filter, open cold air intake. I want that turbo. If you don't know, it's a 4-cylinder, 1.6 liter turbo. I do got a closed filter. Turbo in the back. Nice turbo in the back. Y'all know. 1.6 turbo, GDI. I think I'm pushing like maybe 190, 180 something horsepower. I forgot how much torque it said this car come with. As far as tune wise, the ECUs come locked on these cars, so I have to go get a JB4 tune, which I'm not even sure if I want to get that, because that'll mess up my freaking warranty. But I don't know. If it's in God's plan for me to go get a tune, we'll get it. But this is my Kia K5 EX. It's basically like a GT line, same engine, just don't got the sporty look, but I got the extra features. It's like the luxury version. But we not hearing it. We turning this into the most stock looking car, into the best looking K5 in the world. I will get out some pulls, but it's not busy, but it's like people are here. I don't know. I don't know if I do that. Maybe we'll say that for another video. But I'm gonna end this video here. And I wanna walk y'all on this journey. If y'all missed what I said, this is my car journey. But we basically turning this car from the most stock looking car to the best looking car. I don't got a time limit, but we just gonna do that. But man, y'all give me some ideas of some car. Yeah, give me some car ideas to do with this. Give me some ideas to do with this car. If y'all had this car, what would y'all do to it? How would y'all go along with it? Let me know, drop in the comments. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Keep Life.